Yo, so this is about done. I've got a couple of badges coming that I've ordered off Amazon because I knew I'd got a couple of welds, because I've put some chain to hold the back up, and I don't want to take I don't want to grind all the weld off. So I've got a couple of badges coming. These antlers work fucking perfectly. I've also put one on there. Again, works great for the heat transfer as well, and some little ones there as well. All I've got to do now is I want to put a vent here and a vent here, and supposedly my chef friends have told me that if I do that, because I've also got, I was told to do this. I'll pick you up and show you. So inside is a piece of pipe. So what will happen is the heat will rise from my bottom chamber for my smoker. It should distribute both sides so it doesn't sort of burn anything that's directly underneath it. And then with my two vents, it should circulate the hot air so I get a really good smoked brisket or whatever I decide to cook. And I've got paint all over my face. So I'm going to cut the holes ready for my vents now, and then I can see what material I've got to put them vents on, and then I'm going to light it, set this bad boy up, give it a go, and hopefully it'll all work out well. Catch you in the next one.